Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the garage, now in 360. So this is being filmed on my new Osmo 360, which I said I was going to make a video on. So I don't know how this is going to go. I might have to trim it down later. But anyway, getting to this video. So we're building an aeroplane, and we've been looking at using some motors and things like that, as you do, and they're not exactly cheap, are they? Especially when you start talking lightweight, three-phase motors. So very much like this one here. Now we found a cheaper way. I got this Phantom 2 drone for 20 quid. The motors alone, new, cost between 20 and 40 pounds. So there's 4 motors on here, and why not reuse them? We came across a little hiccup. Is the Phantoms, the DJI ones, they're encoded boards. So you have your motor and you have your speed controller, right? So that takes a voltage in and it gives you a 3-phase output to drive the motor. Now that's great, except as you can see, they're not standard. So this takes a 4-wire input, not a 3-wire input. So it makes it a bit awkward, doesn't it? Right? But a motor is just a motor, isn't it? Unless you talk some where they put an inverter on the motor. But anyway, generally for hobbyist stuff, your motors are all the same, just 3-phase. Or you got, if you're brushless, you got a 3-phase motor generally, like this. If you've got a straight DC motor with a conventional speed controller, then that's a lot simpler. These ones, you need to have a 3-phase speed controller. So what we've done is we've taken a DJI, we've left it on the Phantom here, right? That's the cover. But all we've done is we've disconnected the wires from the speed controller. Normally they're like this, so we've just cut them there. And then for this way to show you, this won't be in the final model like this, but we've just literally clamped it with just jumper leads. So as you can see, there's just one lead, and each one of these is a phase. Now 120 degrees out, but that's one for another video. So I just wanted to show you what you can do if you want to save a bunch of money. These speed controllers are like 3 or 4 quid on Temu and other, I would say reputable retailers, but other retailers. So that's going to be the battery. Here we have a standard receiver and transmitter connected into the throttle. Connecting up the battery, turning on the receiver, and before it flies off, it's actually mega powerful. So we're going to put 2 of these on an aeroplane, and we're going to see how it goes. May need all 4, you never know. But these are 920 kV motors, unless you have the revised version, the second version or the revised version of the Phantom 2, I think also Phantom 2 Advanced, I think, they are 960 kV. Now that kV, just the last point, because we kind of covered that bit, but the last point about the kV is it's not kilovolts, right? It's not like a normal 3-phase motor. So with these, the kV rating is about how many turns you get per volt. So if you put 1 volt into it, 920 kV would be 920 revolutions per volt per minute, right? So 10 volts, 9,200 revolutions per minute. Obviously there's a maximum limit of how many volts you can go in, but don't be confused, as I know a lot of people on forums have been saying that it's thousands of volts, so it's 920,000 volts. It's not. It's how many revolutions you get per minute per volt. So you can calculate the prop speed and everything like that. If your prop is going too fast, i.e. you start getting prop tip problems, vibration, you can just turn the voltage down, because obviously you're going supersonic on your prop, on the ends. Anyway, this was only meant to be a quick one, so I've kind of drawled on a little bit like normal, but I hope that's some useful information. And we are going to be building this. I don't know if there's another project coming in first, but we are going to be doing the aeroplane, and we're just going to keep it simple with standard controller. You've probably seen this on Amazon and Temu and other good retailers. Like, I don't know, there's so many, you can get it in shop, but it's just a standard flight controller. Standard receiver comes with that. And then all you do is you plug your servos in, just like a standard radio control setup. So we're going to build up like that, and then we'll make it more advanced. But I do believe that we have a power project coming up. But I've been really ill lately, so I'm sorry that there hasn't been many videos. Thank you for staying with the channel. And now I'm better. I'm hoping that we get a lot more out, and I hope you're loving the new 360. But yeah, this is where I'm based. This is my hobby home. So yeah, enjoy. Thank you very much for staying with the channel. If you're new, please subscribe, all that good stuff, and let us know. Throw down a comment and let us know what you want to talk about, because I love doing a bit of research and finding out, answers to things, because it also makes me a better engineer as well. So yeah, anyway, catch up with you soon. There'll be another video coming up soon. And I hope you love the new DJI getup. I'm not affiliated. If you are from DJI, I'd love to have some gear. No, but this is all out of my money. There's no affiliation at all here. I may actually drop an Amazon link down if I've still got an affiliate link with Amazon or something. But for the gear that I've got. But yeah, fun times coming. Stick with the channel. And please share the word, because I want to do some crazy stuff. Support us. All right, cheers. Bye.